How was your holidays? Back on track? Okay, very good. And it's been quite long. We have, met together. So let's talk about some business and let's plan the strategy for last 15 days for April, as we already lost 15 days of April and haven't done any kind of business. So let's focus on last 15 days and let's try how we can cover up the first 15 days. All set? So we'll talk about the strategies, how we gonna do the business, what are the plans for last 15 days, and what are the offers, what are the developers where we will be focusing, and what type of strategy we will be making to achieve the target. Apart from this, we also have an award ceremony for the quarter 1 2024. We have couple of categories like monthly wise top 3 agents, top 5 for the quarter, and we also have top 3 leaders of the quarter 1 2024. So this is we have started now, as we have started putting the messages in the group celebrating all the deals. Similarly, we'll do every quarter the award ceremony, and also year ceremony will be there in the mid of May, which is I'm planning right now. Let's start with January 2024. For the first month, there are top 3 agents what we have seen the people, those who have done the maximum business. We'll try to keep it very short. So number 3, we have Harshad Patel as an agent. Congratulations, Dr. Bhai. So number 2 we have, any guesses? ये तो देख के बता दिया तूने. Okay, so number 2, the top performer for the month of January is Simon. Small gift. One more important thing is that she is not only the one who achieved top performer award, but she has bought her first property in Dubai. That is very important, and at the age of 20, it's very big thing. I don't want to highlight her age, but since she is very young, understand the point is she is very young and she has achieved the target which people have made for their life. So that is one of the big achievements. Let's clap for this. And
I would like to say one thing.
we obviously will tell you to say a lot of things, not one thing. You can put both the mics.
Firstly, I would like to thank Vinay, my team leader Utsav, and the whole team of New Heights Real Estate, because it would not have been possible without the support and whatever I got to learn from Vinay, Utsav, and even my colleagues all around. So it's just because of them. So thank you everyone. Thank you Vinay. Thank you Utsav and my team colleagues. Thank you so much, guys.
I'll tell you one small thing. She started with the 1st of May 2023. It's not even a 1 year completed. She started as a content creator on the salary of 2,500 dirhams only. And before, celebrating anniversary, she has bought an apartment. That's a big achievement by her own money. That is the big thing. That's the inspiration. So, she has always come up with a solution. She never came to me crying that this is not happening, this is not working out. She always came up with a solution. So that's the big thing. And one important thing I would like to tell, one more important thing is that on that day when the unit came into cancellation, she called to her client and said, sir, this is a good unit, you can buy. Client said, no, it's quite expensive. Looking at the property, this is the expensive one. The other agent we have, Tariq, she has also called to his client. The client said same thing. What I am looking at, this is the 50,000 more than the property value, what I feel, client said, both the clients. But when I look at the layout, when I look at the property, I understood the property and I told her that, see, what is the difference between why you're paying 50,000 more in this property? Because the size of the apartment is bigger, it's a corner unit, it's a bigger layout, it has more washroom in the apartment, so a lot of things are there. So if the property is expensive, there must be some reason. Getting my point? And she understood very well. On the same day, she said, okay, 50,000, fine, it's a deals matter for me. That's it. And she booked it.
And after that, I even called my client and I explained the same point. So he told me, okay, now whatever unit comes, even if it is of 670, I'm okay to go for if it is with such kind of, things. Then unfortunately it didn't came, but whatever came, so I just booked him with him.
Yeah, she
Another
also
unit.
started her month, so she booked 2 units in this month.
Yeah.
Ideally. Congratulations.
Thank you guys once again.
And the top performer for the month of January, we have, any guesses? ये सब सुन के बोल रहे हैं. No worries. So he's always, Alin, please come. He's always been a top performer. He's always been a top performer of New Heights Real Estate, and he has put his hard work, and I don't know how, but he works in a different manner, and a lot of people try to copy him, and then they end up getting on zero for the month. That's the reality. But the way he works is something completely different, which I have not seen much people are working in that manner. So that is his USP. Let him keep his USP with him. He tried to explain and teach a lot of people that how you can work on international client, how you can work without coming to office. But those who have tried, mostly people have failed. So everyone has their own USP. Even for me, I cannot close more clients like when I'm not in front of them. But he always close on WhatsApp. So very, very difficult. And the most important thing, the clients have a huge trust on him. So the thing is that when he closed the deal, people not even came to Dubai. People not even seen the property. After doing everything, then the client come and then meet and they become very happy, and then they buy second property at the visit. So that is the USP of Alim. Congratulations.
Thank you, bro.
Small gift. For the month of February, we have again top 3 agents who has done a good business, done multiple deals. So the third person is Abbas. So Abbas is not here. Tell few words about Abbas. So Abbas started as a videographer with us because as he knew that New Heights Real Estate, don't take freshers, and he started with a videographer, and then sooner or later he realized that the money is lying somewhere as an agent in a sales. So he started approaching me that let me get into the sales approach like continuously, and he has a passion. So one day I accepted, okay fine, start your sales, I don't mind. So he started doing into the sales. For the first month I think he was on zero, and then every month he was performing, and in last 2-3 months he has performed well. So congratulations Abbas, wherever you are. So second top performer for the month of February, any guesses? एक ही नाम है भाई, आलिम शर्मा. Number 1 position, any guesses for the month of February? Firas. आ जाओ मेरा. So for the month of February, the top performer is Firas, who has generated a business more than 300,000, which is a huge thing. And everyone says that is a Dubai kid, born rich, everything, but in spite of everything, when he came to me and when he started working with me, he was completely surrendered, and he worked as a you can say management trainee, you can say. Although he has a huge business, lot of things, but he started as a management trainee, and he has kept working with me. Whatever I have said, he followed. Then he went into the couple of teams. In last, he is into Alin's team, and there he performed very well. And in the month of February, he is the superstar, Mr. Firas Khan. Congratulations. Big round of applause for Firas. And finally then, for the month of March, we have again top 3 performers, and for the month of March, third number secured by Mr. Sreyash Nimse. दो शब्द हो जाए, दो शब्द बाद में क्या होना है, अभी बोलो जो बोल रहा है भाई।
मंथ ऑफ मार्च में लीड से मेरी मतलब मेरा जो क्लाइंट था वो क्लोजिंग्स हुई बिकॉज ऑफ इवेंट पे आया था, और 2 महीने के बाद मैंने उसको कंटिन्यूसली फॉलोअप करने के बाद मैंने क्लोजिंग किया है इसकी। आया था 1 बेडरूम के लिए, लेकिन उसको बेचा 2 बेडरूम।
Okay guys, so for the second highest revenue for the month of March, any guesses? रेनॉल्ड तो पूरे क्वार्टर में कहीं भी लिस्ट में नहीं है। बट आई टेल यू व्हाट, रेनॉल्ड हैज डन बिजनेस एवरी मंथ, बट उसने एवरेज मेंटेन करके चला है, वो कंसिस्टेंट चल रहा है। ही इज परफॉर्मिंग गुड। ये महीने कितना करने वाला है? ओके, सो एनी गेसेस गाइस? मुझे क्या पता, वो बेटी है। सो सेकंड हाईएस्ट इज ग्रेसी फॉर द मंथ ऑफ मार्च।
Gracie has a lot to say.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ग्रेसी, दिस इज योर गिफ्ट। ये गिफ्ट भी दिखाओ ना भाई, तो लोग बोलेंगे नहीं तो कि तुम इनको गिफ्ट नहीं दिया क्या। So Gracie has just joined us last month, and in the last month itself, she has performed very well, and she secured her second position under the guidance of Yamini. Obviously, she is making videos showcasing that, yes, tell something about me also. So she is the one who was involved in her deals, and it's all up to you now.
So first of all, thank you so much, Yamini, for supporting me and always making me learn new things. And like, it's all because of you. And then thank you so much to New Heights and Vinay sir. Like, it couldn't have been possible without you all.
Guys, Gracie has a birthday as well, so happy birthday, Gracie. So I have a huge trust because in my 6 years of career in Dubai real estate, I have closed 4 times deals on my birthday. So what does it shows? All the best. No, it's actually true. And I told this thing to Simon also. For her, closing is like, यार मत बोलो यार, कोई अच्छा कर रहा है, जाने दो। Okay. And the top performer for the month of March, again, Abbas. So, Khyati. So for the month of February, Khyati was on number 4. She couldn't make in number 3, top 3, but eventually she got a picture clicked. So she can also put somewhere.
I would like to thanks यामिनी जी and विनय जी, क्योंकि उनके बिना मेरे ये जो डील हुई थी फैब में, it was not possible. And thank you so much everyone in New Heights.
The quarter top 5, those who have achieved good business revenue and obviously made lot of money. So the names are coming soon out. अच्छा, ये करोगे क्या भाई इस सर्टिफिकेट का, आप लोग कहाँ लगाओगे? एक इधर है ना, इनसे वो ले लो, एक इनको किराए पे इधर ये वॉल दे दो। तो ये वहाँ पे लगा देंगे अपना। वो वाली खाली है ना, इनसे ये वाली जो है लास्ट कॉर्नर वाली, ये आलिम शर्मा को दे दो पूरी। क्या? ये बढ़िया बात बोली भाई, तालियां। Okay guys, coming back to the point, top 5 for the quarter 2024, quarter 1 2024, we have the people, those who have done the business good.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. There is the top 5 agent award for Gracie Thakur.
So much, I didn't expect it coming.
Something very newly come.
Hi guys, good morning. Top agent, 4th highest revenue goes to Harshad Patel. Mexican style.
Good morning. Quarter 1 2024, third position goes to Firaz. आजा.
Second highest revenue for quarter 1 24 top agent goes to Abbas Hamid.
Hi, good morning everyone. So I have been working with Vinay since 6 months, and I have closed deals of my own client, and it's very good here working here because everyone supported here, Vinay and all the leaders, and thank you so much everyone. Thank you.
So the award for the highest revenue for quarter 1 2024 goes to Alin Sharma. The top leaders of the quarter, like we have multiple teams, they have done very well, but obviously some team does good job in past, some are doing right now. So it's when you look at, it's all equal, but it's a matter of a time. Someone is performing better right now, someone has performed earlier. Now again next quarter we have to look at who can be the best, so everyone has to gun for it. Now already 15 days gone, now we have only 2.5 months, so let's start the race for the best agent, highest revenue, top leaders, whatever it is. Let's gun for it. And it does not only get you a good pride certificates and all these things, but it gets you the biggest motivation in the world is money. So you get money out of it. The more you sell, the more you make money. So for the quarter, top leader of the quarter, number 3 goes to Utsav Negi. So thank you for this award, but I may be the one receiving it, but this is totally dedicated to the team and their efforts. So this goes out to Simon, Rohit, Hani, Raza and Tariq in the exact order. So award for the second highest leader who has generated a huge business for us goes to Alin Sharma for quarter 1 2024.
Thank you, bhai.
The top leader of quarter 1 2024. Any guesses? There is no guesses, right? Everyone knows. So many congratulations to Yamini.
Hello guys, so it's not been even 1 year, and I started as an individual with New Heights Real Estate. Today I'm standing here with the best team and best company in entire Dubai. So thank you so much for everyone for the support, especially my team. Vinay Shah, I have learned a lot of things from him. I have grown from here to there and a lot more to go, a lot more to achieve. Thank you.
So Alin, how many awards you have won today?
4.
4 awards.
Individual 4 and team-wise 1.
So altogether 5 awards. So huge round of applause, guys. All yours.
It's always good that if you are contributing towards company's revenue and you are earning as well. But as I always say, picture abhi baki hai. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, so I would like to invite Mr. Samat Patel. So Mr. Samat Patel has always been a top performer of New Heights Real Estate. Since due to some reason last quarter he was not here, so he could not make in top agents list. But yes, I always say business is secondary for me. First thing is your intention, your attitude. That is the most important thing for anyone. So those who are watching this video, I would like to tell you one important thing. Please make sure whatever you're doing, do it by heart. And no one can do better than Samad when it comes to doing a business or anything from a heart. Let's have some words from him. And for it, first of all, small gift.
स्टार्ट किए थे जहाँ से, आज यहाँ पर खड़े हैं। मोटर सिटी से JVC आ गए, अब यहाँ से इंशाल्लाह डाउनटाउन जाएंगे या कहीं और जाएंगे। मैंने यहाँ पे खड़ा हुआ, जो जितने मैंने कंसेक्यूटिव डील्स हुई हैं, जो भी ये टॉप परफॉर्मर किया हूँ, उसमें एक बंदा और एक गाड़ी का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। उबैद भाई। और यार इसका सीक्रेट है रेड डॉज चार्जर। बंदे को बिठाओ गाड़ी में, डील क्लोज। बस इतना ही है, थैंक यू।
ये तो आपने उबैद भाई के लिए बोला, अपने लिए बताए आए। थोड़ा सा सेल्फलेस आदमी है ये अपनी बात कभी भी नहीं करेगा, बट मैं चाहता हूँ कुछ दो बोल अपने लिए हो जाए। मज़ा आ गया वो सबको पता है, उसके आगे क्या है वो बताए। क्योंकि देखो आप यहाँ से मेरी नज़र से देखो, आपको कितने चेहरे दिख रहे, 50 लोग दिख रहे। ये लोग एक उम्मीद लेकर आए हैं कि हमारा भी कुछ अच्छा होगा। हम भी बहुत जगह से जल कर आए हैं, पैसा लुटा हुआ है, नहीं मिला है, बहुत चीज़ें है। तो ये लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन चाहिए।
यार मोटिवेशन क्या है? हाँ हाँ, आ जाओ आ जाओ।
समद को हम एक सवा साल हो गया, हम 1.5 साल हो गया जानते हैं। तो जब समद को हमने पहले देखा था और आज के समद में बहुत ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है। समद जब आया था तो बहुत स्ट्रगल किया, बहुत मीटिंग्स करता था, बट एफर्ट लगाता था, क्लोज नहीं होता था। तो हमेशा आके कभी श्रेयस के पास, कभी हमारे पास आके कि भाई कैसे हुआ क्या नहीं होगा। विनय भाई के साथ बहुत भागा है। बट एक बात मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा समद के बारे में कि ये ट्रूली इंस्पिरेशनल है हर एक बंदे के लिए जो रियल एस्टेट में काम कर रहा है, क्योंकि ये ज़मीन से आसमान को छुआ है इसने। सिंपल सी बात है, ज़मीन से आसमान को छुआ है। और तो वो हम समद को देते। तो ये डेडिकेशन है, इसकी डेडिकेशन है जिस हिसाब से इसने काम किया है। और मैं हर किसी को समद का एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि इससे सीखो, इसके पास जाओ। मैंने अपनी टीम के बंदों को भी बोला है कि इसके पास जाके बैठो, सीखो। तो ये ट्रूली एक अलग लेवल का इंस्पिरेशन है हर किसी के लिए और अच्छा काम कर। सही नहीं
आपकी मोहब्बत नहीं तो और क्या है?
तुमने अपना तो बोला कि देखो तुम पतली गली से निकल गए, तुमको नहीं छोड़ेंगे भाई। ये पतली गली
मैं अपने बारे में क्या
कर रहा है।
यार मोटिवेशन पे तो सिर्फ इतना ही है कि सबको अपनी ज़रूरतें मालूम है, सबको अपनी जिम्मेदारी मालूम है। उसके लिए तुम्हें मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है। जब तक तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें करना है, तुम करोगे। जहाँ तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हें नहीं करना है, तो तुम्हें कोई भी बंदा कितना भी मोटिवेट कर ले, तुम नहीं करोगे। अपनी ज़रूरतें हैं, अपना पेट है, सबको भरना है। काम करोगे, पेट भरोगे।
So big round of applause for Ubaid bhai. He is one of the highest revenue getter in New Heights Real Estate and one of the best team leader. He has a good team who has done very phenomenal job in the past quarter. And obviously again looking at today, my hopes are again with them that they will be the top team in this quarter. So Ubaid bhai, all to you.
Last quarter, the first quarter of 2024, we are not performing well because our team, someone is outside the country, someone another side of the country, and Ramzan will be here, and some businesses we have to close from the 2023 for the all deals because it's very important to get the deals and complete the payments and get the commissions because we have facing lots of the deals is not completed done and we are not getting the commissions. So be positive every time and be patient. मैं सिर्फ यही सजेस्ट करना चाहूँगा सबको कि भाई slowly study and win the race. So when you will be applied in this space, every time you will be successful.
Next we have Mr. Harshad Patel. So Mr. Harshad Patel has started with us 6 years back Oh, 6 months back. 6 years back, we were the friends since then. But he started with us since 6 months back. And he was into Indian properties earlier. Then he started his own business. Then coming back to real estate, he realized that real estate is a good thing. But when he decided coming back to real estate, why don't I try Dubai market instead of Indian properties? And honestly, he is an inspiration for me and for all the people watching here, that can you working as a, like, is it possible for a guy or girl who is working in Indian properties can work in Dubai real estate market? Yes, it is, because he is the one who is right now achieved a team leader spot, and he is working as a team leader. A good job he is doing right now, and the most important thing, he has done the business every month, like multiple deals as well. So coming from a background where he doesn't know about anything about Dubai real estate market, obviously it's a big achievement. Tell something about your journey.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार इतने लोग को देख के यार इससे पहले हम लोग जैसे कंट्रोल टावर में बैठ रहे थे, ऑफिस वहाँ पे था, तब हम लोग 15-20 लोग ही थे, ठीक है। आज ऑलमोस्ट 40 से 40 प्लस लोग हैं, 50 हो गए भाई हम पर। यस बट मैं वही बताना चाहता हूँ, जो मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं ये वाले, राइट, जो इंडियन मार्केट में काम कर रहे हैं बंदे, मैं उनको यही बोलूँगा कि आप आओ, दुबई मार्केट में काम करते हैं। दुबई मार्केट में बहुत पैसा है, काम तो वही है, सेल्स वहाँ पे भी करना है, राइट। इंडियन मार्केट में कितना मिलता है सबको पता है, जो इंडियन मार्केट कर रहा है आज की डेट में। बट मैं वही बोलूँगा कि आओ, साथ में मिलके काम करते हैं, दुबई प्रॉपर्टीज़ बेचते हैं और एक दूसरे के ड्रीम अचीव करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।
We have one award which is very different. You might have not thought about it, but this is for the first time we are doing, or I think any of the company in Dubai market might be doing for the first time. I don't know if others have done it or not, but for us this is for the first time. We are giving the award for the best content creator of Q1 2024 goes to Sheetal Prashad.
So, I mean, when I started this whole career, it was not easy, and in fact, getting something through social media was something that at that point not a lot of people were doing. It was mostly cold calls and stuff. So, to be given a platform and to be given a guidance how to, do social media, create content, it really made me, grow in this career. Like Q1 24, my performance has not been that great, but I know for a fact that it's a wake-up call for a lot of people to do much better, and Q2, I think I'll be having more awards than Arvind. So.
Congratulations for this. At least she has dreamed about it. But honestly, when she came to me, she was a young little girl and very, obviously, but she was not much confident, and she was having a doubt whether I can do it, like, is it my field or not? I can perform here or not? Whether I'm doing right or wrong? She don't know anything when she started. But I knew somewhere that you have a very good potential and you can be one of the best. And trust me, apart from the Q1 2024, she has performed really well. And in even Q1 2024, she has performed well. But she was not in top 3 because we have the champs who are doing better and better. So that is a good thing, but she has performed in Q1 2024 as well, but yes, not up to her mark. Right now she is at the stage where she can manage around 4 to 5 people team, but she is not taking. That's her call. So congratulations, and she is, again I'm telling you, an inspiration for the people, those who are sitting here and watching this video. Like, she has never taken, like, we have given her leads, but she has closed all the deals by her own videos. She has generated leads and closed deals from her own videos. So that's the biggest achievement for me. And most importantly, she has closed all the deals by herself. That's the biggest advantage. Obviously, she had a leader. Even I was also supporting her, but we are just guiding her. She is doing by herself. She lost a couple of deals, she booked a couple of deals, but she learned over the period of time. And for the Q2 2024, my eyes are on your performance. I want you to be one of the best, sales agent. Next award we have, it's a different category. It's again all together we are coming. We are trying to do our best what we can do. It's a best supporting agent of New Heights Real Estate who has supported a guy or a girl who has done phenomenal job. That is, any guesses? Mr. Rohit. So Rohit is the one who has supported Simon, a young little girl, and done lot of closures with her, and not even with her only, with every single person who has came to Rohit, and he is the champ for a closing, and he is taking always 50% share. He is making his money from it, which I love it, because honestly, it is helping you and it is helping me. So all together, sharing is caring. Business, pure business. But it's obviously it takes a lot of effort to guide a new guy or a girl to get it done the closures.
देखो यार, कोई चीज़ फ्री में नहीं मिलती, तो सबको कुछ ना कुछ देना पड़ता है. And for me, supporting is, yes, I want people to learn a lot. And यहाँ पर knowledge is the power. जितना आपको पता है आप उतना ज़्यादा कर सकते हो, मतलब. So I would request all the newcomers that try to learn everything. हर दिन पढ़ो. Each and every day will work out. And yes, you will also be doing like a really good deals.
Very good, bhai. Thank you so much. Again, I am telling you, he is again one of the selfless guy who is not focusing on his business, but he is supporting young blood, and that is why he is standing here in a very support category. You know, yes, obviously. Now we have another award coming up. So this is something different category, which nobody expected, but you know, this guy has made me feel that every time whatever you think, it's not true. Sometimes beyond your thinking also there are people who can do something great. So let's invite Saad. So honestly, I would like to tell something about him. So when he came and he got selected, and when I met him for the first time, I was not pretty confident about him, that whether he will be able to close the deals or not. But one day I spent a day with him when we went for site visits and all these things, and I immediately told to his team leader Obed Bhai that he is the one of the guy who can take your team from year to year, and obviously whenever he has worked for a couple of days, he has got the closures done. So he has a superpower of grabbing the clients, which is most important thing, which not many people have. All people are working hard. No one is thinking that like coming to office just to doing the time pass. But some people have a special power. He is one of them, because he understands the client and he grabs the client. No matter at what time, he goes there. He went to Abu Dhabi midnight to close the client. Midnight. Can you imagine? People will say, okay sir, let's meet up tomorrow. No, he said, okay, let's meet up tonight. He said, I'm in Abu Dhabi. That's fine, I'll come tonight. He went to 2 a.m. at Abu Dhabi. So that is the spirit what we all need. Is it right?
Yes.
Please, all yours.
जब ये मैंने ज्वाइन किया था तो मैं रीसेल सेकेंडरी मार्केट में था, तो मुझे आइडिया नहीं था कि मैं ऑफ प्लान कर पाऊँगा. तो बाकी मुझे जब इंटरव्यू हुआ था तो वैद भाई ने कहा था कि तुम कर पाओगे, लीड्स बहुत अच्छी हैं न्यू हाइट्स की. तो उस टाइम मैंने ज्वाइन किया तो मैंने कर लिया.
बहुत बढ़िया. ये यहाँ क्यों नर्वस हो गए भाई? क्लाइंट के सामने तो कभी नर्वस नहीं होते तुम. वहाँ तो बढ़िया, मतलब एक के बाद एक फेंके जाते हो. यहाँ क्या हो गया? Okay guys, next moving forward we have another category. मेरे दो अनमोल रतन, दीपेन और अलियान. Many congratulations. अबे खड़े रहे बस, तू फोटो डालनी है ना. Okay, so again I'll tell you why this is a special category, because these guys are again very young. They are in their 20s, like early 20s, and obviously Dipen is the brother of our client who got a property from us. So there are a lot of people who got property from us and then their kids are working or their siblings are working with us. So it's an achievement and proud for me, because it shows that whatever we have done is true and good for them. That's why they have, invested their family with us, like person from their family. Now, what about Alyan? Alyan is again one of our family friends' kid. So he's also working with us, and he's been working with us since 1.5 years. So at this age, closing deals for real estate, it's again a very proud thing, because when people talk, you know, when clients want to buy a property, they want someone expert to attend their call or to guide them. But expert could be, you know, at early age also and later age also. But these guys have grabbed their clients' attention and got them properties really good. So big claps for these guys.
तेरा भाई भी देख रहा है भाई मेरे भाई तो देख ही रहे होंगे, और विनय भाई भी अपने भाई आलिन भाई जो है वही मुझे यहाँ पे लेके आए, और थैंक यू सो मच टू विनय भाई एंड आलिन भाई,
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू फॉर द न्यू हाइट्स। आज जो भी यहाँ पर हूँ बैद भाई और विनय भाई की वजह से, इन लोगों ने काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया है, तो जो कुछ है बस इन्हीं की वजह से।
अरे भाई तेरी भी तो मेहनत रही है, आंसू आ गए मेरे भाई। I'll take a few more minutes because couple of categories are left. So again, a good story. Wasn't expected this guy to be turned out this much with this seriousness and a fruitful. Honest with you, because we met a client and he got a property from us, and he handed over his son to us, Mr. Fakruddin. So please come on stage. I told to his father, so as you are handing over me this your son, but please, I will only take him if he follows me as a leader, if he works as an employee, because there won't be any favor to him. And they said, okay, do it. And I have given him a promise that I will talk to you at that day when I will make him a better person as a salesperson. Obviously, a better human, he is always there, but as a salesperson. So again, he is again very young, and I have even not, I thought that he will be performed like this. So he has done multiple closings, and it's been 6 months working with us, and I didn't realize that. Did you realize? No, it's 6 months. I have counted before this event. I have counted. So, you know, it's a surprise for all of us. And since 6 months he is working with us, and he has done multiple deals. And I'll tell you one important thing about him. He has a client, and he met with some injury or something. He was hospitalized, and the client just wanted to give the checks and wanted to sign the SPA. Client said no, whenever he will come back, at that time we'll meet. So the client said no to his leader also. That is his hold on the client. So you can understand how much he's putting his effort towards the client, and why people will not buy from this kind of guys. Congratulations, brother, and all the best wishes. Please.
So yeah, thanks for Vinay bhai and for so much support so that I can do this many deals. Thank you, New Heights.
No worries. This name we have kept New Heights. What does it mean? Anyone? What is the meaning of New Heights for you? Right? Agreed? The name itself shows New Heights. Now understand, whosoever connects with New Heights, whether they are buying property from us, whether they are selling property from us, whether they are working with us, or they are the channel partners with us, or the developers with us, we have decided to take everyone to the new heights of their life. You know, that is the oath I have taken. When I kept this name, there is a meaning behind it. It's not only me who is touching the new heights of my life, but I'll try to help each and every single person who is associated with New Heights Real Estate to achieve new heights of their life. So now, whenever you meet any client, just tell them this story, and also promise them that, sir, ma'am, if you're buying a property from us, please understand, we will not give you any false hope, we will not give you any false commitments, we will not sell anything which is not good. I'll tell you what is the success of achieving 50 people team less than a year? It's the honesty. It's the honesty towards, and obviously the sales, the volume what we have achieved, I have never imagined, honestly. But the only reason, last year in the month of March, I was empty pocket, not having a single dirham in my pocket. But now in this year, I bought multiple properties, multiple cars. How come it possible? Just because of you guys, because of the clients to whom I've been serving since last 6 years. This is what I want to tell you. Please respect your commitments. Whenever you commit anything to anyone, be on it. And trust me, this is the most difficult path, because sometimes you will not be able to complete your commitment, but you have to do it. You have to do it. Sometimes the commitment will be delayed, but you have to do it. Understand the seriousness of your commitment. Don't look at the money, how much you are making money. Just understand the value. Just understand one important thing. We are doing the sales, right? We are just not doing sales. Understand, we are selling emotions. And it's pure emotions. I'll tell you why. It's a small thing. Understand, whosoever is doing real estate is selling emotions. There are two types of clients. No third client. In my dictionary, there is no third client. There are only two clients. One who is buying a property for themselves. That means you are doing the best job of the world. You're getting a home to a homeless guy or a girl, right? To the people. So, do you feel that you should cheat them? No, you should not. Be honest with them. Trust me, it will pay off in future. Right now you will make less money, but in future you will make money. Second is the investor. So investor, again emotion comes here, because somewhere it comes from the heart or the mind. I should invest in a property where I get good returns. So give them that advice which makes them a good money. For example, we have people sitting here whose parents have bought properties from us earlier. And if they are sending their child to us, I'll tell you what, ask to anyone, give me your everything and give me your child. They will say, take everything, don't take my child. That's the important thing. Understand the value. You will never be failed. Trust me. And moving forward to the next category, we have a category international hiring. So we have a very special category, Maria. She came all the way from Canada to Dubai to work with us in New Heights Real Estate. And honestly, it's, I feel like blessing, because she is so kind, she is so generous and prompt towards her work. Congratulations, Maria.
Thank you so
And
much.
obviously coming from Canada and joining our company, it's really amazing.
Thank you so much for all your support from Vinay and support and guiding me. Thank
So just wanted to know, like people want to know how you made your mind to work, to shift to Dubai and to work with New Heights Real Estate.
We always wanted to move to Dubai, but here, when we came, I wanted to join the real estate, but I was looking everywhere, like where should I go, where should I go. I was following you from Canada, and I was thinking that it's better to go join your company instead of anyone else. So I came to you guys, and Yamini, she got me in her team. So thank you so much once again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And
everyone.
she is one of the first person who is fresher joined in our company. She, while interview, we convinced that she is the one who can achieve the targets, and she is doing it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, now we have another important category, which debutant we can say. For the month of April, मेरे दो अनमोल रतन, एक नितेश और एक तारिक, have closed a deal. So please come. Again, a power pack story of a struggle. These guys have struggled a lot and hustling a lot. During the Eid holidays also, he's giving me trouble throughout the day. Where are you? I have meetings, I have clients. Again, this guy also during the Ramzan and Eid holidays giving me troubles, calling me and trying to get a unit and trying to convince the client, okay bhai, at least you talk for once, let's close the deal. So I said okay. So I was always available, but I like these guys have worked a lot the whole Ramzan month. They were the one who used to come first and the one who used to leave last and keep doing the hassle, and they got the result as well. And obviously they were doing hard work since 2-3 months, but the things was not turning. Not 3 months, the 2 months. Because in our company, if someone is on zero for 2 months, it's a big thing of a concern for us. So that's the thing. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you. Thank you, Vinay bhai. Thank you, Utsav bhai. Thank you, my team. So what's the speech? What I feel, what I believe in the success formula of this industry, which works really for me, that is consistency. Okay. if you are consistent towards your work, maybe it will take time, but you will achieve. Just be consistent.
It's very true. It's very true. Agent of New Heights Real Estate, Renault.
See, what I feel is that I usually get a lot of nervous to speak a lot of people, but everyone has an untapped potential. Everyone has something कि निकलता नहीं अंदर से. हम कोशिश करते हैं कि we have to work, but it doesn't happen. So I guess this is the part where we have to see कि कैसे काम करना है आगे जाके. That untapped potential is something which we are not removing it out. When we see everyone in the market giving, someone is selling 10 million, and I see that I can do that, but हो नहीं रहा है. I'm a firm believer of energy conservation. मैं waste नहीं करता हूँ energy. So it's all about untapping that particular potential in your work style. And I told Vinay also about a month back, I want to become the richest person in this company. So we were laughing and he said he's the richest. बोला क्या हो गया? I'll try my best. So yeah, that's my confidence. I don't want to be overconfident, but this is a word to all my friends around that work hard. It's a very standard service कि हम बोलते हैं कि यार काम करो, consistency. जब तक नहीं करोगे नहीं होगा. तो बोलने के लिए 1000 बोलेंगे, करने वाला एक ही रहता है, तो करेंगे. सही बात है.
Good thing. And as he told that the richest person in this company is I am the richest one, but not. It's not true. If you check my accounts, I don't have balance, so I'm not the one. Cash नहीं है भाई, cash नहीं है. Good thing. Thank you guys. Okay, now we have. See, I'll tell you what. I don't want it to feel anyone that everyone is special for me. Please understand. And you're special by yourself. See, understand one important thing. We are celebrating your award ceremony. Beyond award ceremony, there is a emotions attached with everyone. In this company, we have always given a preference to the emotions. We have not given preference towards the business, towards the money. We have never thought about it. If there is someone who is on zero for multiple months, we have never doubt about his or her caliber, because I understand there's a huge potential in them, but it's not happening because might be they are not focusing enough, or if they are focusing also, the time is not there right now. So their time will come, and people have proved that also. After working on couple of months for a zero, they have came back and they came back very strongly. So that's the thing. And also, as I told, company, and everyone knows about it, company never works on emotions, but this company works only on emotions. That is the reality. I've been keep telling that I will not be emotional again, and then again we do the same thing. But I'm happy to repeat this kind of mistakes because everyone working here is my family and their family is also my family. So now moving forward, Mr. Rizvi for again. So I don't know for what, but there are multiple things which he has done and he is getting award for that.
भाई मैं सेकेंडरी से 10 साल लगा के प्राइमरी में आया हूँ और इसकी वजह से ये मुझे तकरीबन 3 साल से खींच रहा है, 4 साल से खींच रहा है. आ जाओ मेरे साथ आ जाओ. तो खैर ये हमारी दोस्ती है. ये अलग चीज़ है कि हम अलग अलग सेक्टर्स के थे, बट आज साथ हैं और इसका भरोसा है भाई मेरे ऊपर, और मेरा भी थोड़ा बहुत एफर्ट होगा कहीं ना कहीं. तो देखता है ये कि स्टैंड कराना चाहिए कहीं पर, तो ये मेरी बैक से बड़ी हेल्प करता रहता है कि यार इसके लिए होना चाहिए कुछ ना कुछ. तो भाई बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ भाई आपका.
सो मच भाई. ये तो भाई शुक्रगुजार तो हम हैं बिकॉज ही इज़ नॉट वर्किंग विद अस, हिज वाइफ इज़ वर्किंग विद अस, हिज ब्रदर इन लॉ इज़ वर्किंग विद अस, सो एंटायर होल फैमिली इज़ वर्किंग विद अस. तो इससे बड़ा सपोर्ट आपको क्या मिलेगा, किसी का ट्रस्ट और क्या मिलेगा, और आदमी क्या कर सकता है. मतलब इफ समवन इज ग्रैबिंग एवरीवन टुवर्ड्स दिस कंपनी, that means we are grateful and thankful to this kind of people. So one award goes to our media team who has done a phenomenal job. Guys, आ गया वीडियो में आ गया, तालियां आ गई, वीडियो में तालियां आ गई. First to the leader of media team, Mr. Saurabh, who has been with us since day one, and he's doing his good job, and all my videos are done by him only. So congratulations, Saurabh. Second, we have our Oswin, assistant manager for him, for the media. Third, we have our Akil and Mushtaba. These guys were doing very good job. And obviously Diksha for supporting to the media team and all the back-end jobs. Thank you so much, guys. None other than we have another category, a multitasker, Mr. Shreyas Desai, head of operations. Obviously the captain of our cricket team also, the coach of our team.
हाय एवरीवन. हेलो. विनय को मैं 6 साल से जान रहा हूँ. जब मैं इंडियन प्रॉपर्टीज़ बेच रहा था स्क्वायर यार्ड में, तब वो मेरे को लेके जाता था कि भाई इंडिया वाले को घुमाना है, चलो. तो और मेरे पास जो दुबई प्रॉपर्टीज़ के लिए आते थे,
मैं नया था,
शेयर करता था. ठीक है, बट काफ़ी अप्स एंड डाउन्स के बाद मैं दुबई में रहा चला गया, आते जाते रहता था. एक बोल सकता कि पास निकाल के रखा था. हर 3 महीने में जाता था, वापस आता था. फिर फाइनली विनय ने मेरे को एक मैसेज किया, भाई तू छोड़ सब कुछ, आ जा इधर, फिर हम लोग देखते क्या करना है वो. सो एक वही ट्रस्ट पे मैं आज यहाँ पे हूँ, आज सबके सामने हूँ. आया स्टार्टिंग में मैंने भी स्ट्रगल किया, बट ठीक है, मेरे को भी दुबई प्रॉपर्टीज़ नहीं मालूम था. जो भी सीखा है मेरे 2 टीम लीडर ने सिखाया हुआ है, एक श्रेयस एंड आलिन. डील कैसे करना वो तो मेरे को जानता था मैं, बट दुबई प्रॉपर्टीज़ में कैसे बात करते हैं ये इन दोनों ने मेरे को सिखाया. और सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट जो दिया हो मिस्टर विनय शाह, जिसकी वजह से आज मैं यहाँ हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन. थैंक यू विनय भाई.
थैंक यू सो मच. और अभी ये हमारा हेड ऑफ ऑपरेशंस पूरा देख रहे हैं देसाई भाई, बिकॉज ही लेफ्ट द सेल्स एंड फॉर अ रीज़न, बिकॉज कंपनी को ज़रूरत थी कि कोई एक बंदा आगे बढ़ के ऑपरेशन सेट करे. सो ही हैज़ सेक्रीफाइस्ड हिज सेल्स एंड गेट इनटू द ऑपरेशंस. तो देखो अभी स्टार्ट किया, अभी और कैसे चलता है, बट टिल नाउ इट्स गोइंग वेल. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड वी हैव अनदर अवार्ड फॉर आवर फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट, जहाँ सबको अब पैसे आते हैं एंड मल्टीटास्क. जी हाँ जी. ओके. हाँ कुछ डैमेज हो गया तो पैसे कट जाएंगे. नहीं एक मिनट. ओके. तो गाइस, पहले जो भी गलतियाँ हुई मुझसे, पहले जो भी मिस्टेक्स हुई, या पहले जो भी चीज़ें मैं नहीं समझ पाता था, हर किसी को ना एक गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. अब आप लोग सब सोचते होगे कि मुझे कौन गाइड करता है. मुझे कौन गाइड करता है? चंदन सर. तो मेरे सिर्फ जियाजी नहीं है, मेरे एडवाइज़र है, लीगल एडवाइज़र, फाइनेंस एडवाइज़र, बिजनेस एडवाइज़र, बिजनेस पूरा मैनेज कर रहे हैं. अगर मैं ऑनेस्टली एक बात बोलूँ, अगर मेरे से आप 6 महीने पहले पूछते तो मैं बोलता शायद नहीं, मैं खुद ही कर रहा हूँ सब कुछ. आज अगर आप मेरे से पूछोगे ना, तो मैं आपको एक ही चीज़ बोलूँगा कि भाई मेरे से मत पूछो, जियाजी के पास जाओ. क्यों? क्योंकि ओवरऑल जो भी हेडेक था, जो भी चीज़ें थी, सब उन्होंने ले लिया है. आज मुझे कुछ करना होता है, मुझे अगर एक गाड़ी भी खरीदनी है तो मेरे को पूछना पड़ता है, जिया जी क्या हम खरीद सकते हैं? तो जिया जी बताते सिस्टम, उनको पता होता है. तो जिया जी बताते हैं कि हाँ ये गाड़ी ले सकते हैं और कैश पे ले सकते हैं. तो सब चीज़ें उनको पता है, सब कुछ वो मैनेज कर रहे हैं. और सबसे बड़ा एक किसी भी कंपनी को अगर आप देखोगे ना, 2 से 3 चीज़ें होती है कंपनी के अंदर जिस वजह से कंपनी स्मूथली चलती है. एक आपका लीड फ्लो, लीड के अंदर कोई पार्शलिटी ना हो. लीड फ्लो जो भी बंदा मैनेज कर रहा है वो ऑनेस्ट और ट्रस्ट वर्दी हो सबका, ठीक है, वो मैनेज कर रहे हैं. फाइनेंस में कोई गड़बड़ी ना हो. पहले मैं अकाउंट्स देखता था, पिछले 3 या 4 महीने में मेरे नहीं ख्याल कि मैंने कभी भी अकाउंट्स देखे हैं, क्योंकि वो पूरा मैनेज कर रहे हैं। वो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, और किसी भी बंदे को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो वो उनके पास ही जाता है। कई बार कुछ चीज़ें ऊपर नीचे रहती है, लेकिन मिस्टेक्स नहीं होती है। आप लोगों को लगता है कई बार कि पैसा ज़्यादा आ गया, कम तो हम किसी को देते नहीं, ज़्यादा आ गया। क्यों ज़्यादा आ गया वो बता देते कि भाई यहाँ तुम्हारा एडिशनल ये था, ठीक है। उसके बाद कई बार चीज़ें होती है जो, क्योंकि मैं तो ऑफिस नहीं होता हूँ, मैं हमेशा बाहर होता हूँ, तो ऑफिस में कौन होता है? जिया जी होते, पूरा बैकएंड वही देख रहे होते। तो सारी चीज़ें आज की तारीख में ऑफिस की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो जिया जी मैनेज कर रहे हैं, एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू हिम। और जितना हम कर रहे हैं वो कुछ भी नहीं है अभी उनके लिए, बट वी हैव अ बिग प्लान्स। थैंक यू। अरे लास्ट अवार्ड को सही जगह सही टाइम पहुंचा देते हैं।
एकदम हेयर स्टाइल
I am not feeling good. Those who are old with me and they're not getting appreciated. So I am a human brain, and I'm trying my best. So Humaira, for you it's a. This is not for the sales. This is not for the sales. Humaira was HR with us, and as she understood the money is in sales, so she shifted to the sales. She told me, and I said, okay, that's fine. If you're interested in sales, do it.
Thank you so much.
This is for her good job she has done as a HR to New Heights Real Estate. Sales के लिए इस क्वार्टर में मुझे अवार्ड चाहिए तुम्हारे लिए।
Inshallah. I'd like to thank Vinay for giving me an opportunity to work in New Heights. Before I was working as an HR, I was handling all the operations. Now Shreyas Desai ji is handling all the operations. और आलिम की मैं टीम में मूव हुई हूँ, तो आई फील सो प्राउड. थैंक्स विनय एंड आलिम शर्मा, एंड थैंक्स ऑल माई colleagues of New Heights. Thanks Shreyas bhai also. Samad. Thank you Samad, thank you Upek ji, and thank you Alian.
नेक्स्ट अवार्ड, ओनली 2 अवार्ड्स मैं बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन अब एक्चुअली में 2 ही बचे हैं. वन इज गोज टू ख्याति फॉर हर आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस. See, again I am telling you, this company runs on emotions. How many times we say that we will not be emotional again, we will be practical, but वो मुझसे हो ही नहीं पाता भाई. मैं इमोशनल आदमी, मैं प्रैक्टिकल हो ही नहीं पाता हूँ. हाँ इसलिए तो आप हमारी बड़ी बहन हो, हम सीख रहे हैं आपसे. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि ऑब्वियसली सीखता हूँ मैं सारी चीज़ें, काफ़ी लोगों से सीखता हूँ, छोटों से भी सीखता हूँ, बड़ों से भी सीखता हूँ. एंड आई हैव लर्न पेशेंस विथ हर, कि पेशेंसली कैसे काम होता है. वो एक्सपीरियंस के साथ ही आएगा. शी वॉज वर्किंग समवेयर अर्लियर, बट नाउ शी इज़ वर्किंग विद अस, एंड शी इज़ क्लोजिंग द डील्स, एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग न्यू पीपल लाइक young people, and she is taking the responsibilities in absence of Yamini. Yamini is the team leader. When she is not there, she is taking the responsibility of the team. So for that, this is the award, not for your performance, because your performance for us is something different. You have to be one of the top in quarter 2.
नहीं, बस आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक्स यामिनी जी. मैं उनका ही वीडियो देख के आई थी, और विनय जी ने भी बहुत सपोर्ट किया है. एंड इट्स बिन ओनली 4 months, बट आई हैड डन सम ऑफ द डील्स, एंड इट्स लॉन्ग वे टू गो. थैंक यू सो मच.
ये जो आप जी जी बोलते हो ना विनय जी, मैं आपसे बहुत छोटा हूँ. मुझे ना वेलकम के परेश रावल वाली याद आती, पार्ले जी को भी जी. गुड. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस रिस्पेक्ट. तो विल कीप दिस अवार्ड एज अ बेस्ट डेब्यूटेंट ऑफ न्यू हाइट्स रियल एस्टेट, राबी. I can see a guy who is doing more hard work than me is Rabi. And you got to know in future, you have to keep these words. Yeah, so I've seen him working really, really, really hard, and coming from a airline industry to real estate, it's completely a challenging job. He was there as a cabin crew for 5 years, and now started real estate. The day I met Rabi, like it's been 1.5 year back, I met him for the first time and I've said him that what you are doing in a cabin, like as a cabin crew, please come and join real estate. You can make a lot of money, and trust me, he is doing that. He knows me, I know, not everyone knows about it, and I would like to hand over this to him. You can please motivate some people.
Well, actually, it's been quite a short journey since we met, me and Vinay, and we started working together. Definitely happy to be joining all of you guys now. Looking forward for a much better achievement as a team. I believe in the guidance and the leadership that Vinay has. We've been discussing a lot of plans even for a later startup. So keep it up, and thanks for welcoming me in this team.
Thank you so much, Ravi.